Alright, I bought this like, I don't know, year and a half ago. Finally get to use it. Couldn't use it. Not 2022, but 2021. So many fire bans. Couldn't even get it out. Couldn't even use it in your own yard. But as you can see, don't have to worry. So I did not get the one with the heat shield. Again, don't have to worry about it. There's snow and ice everywhere. So yeah, put this up. It's pretty simple from what I've seen. So this was like 90 bucks, I think, when I had a coupon. So check this out if you want to have a fire, but like you live in a van or you do a lot of camping and some places you go don't have places to cook. So pretty cool. It's got the sides. I mean, this is not with it. That's the heat shield. So it's got sides. So if you put a grate over it, you could cook with it. If you just have some coals, cook some hot dogs that way, or whatever. It's just got a little screen on the bottom. So that's where the ashes go down for the heat shield. So it's got a bag, and then they just put some plastic zip-up bag. As you can see, everything's new, all strapped together, so it goes back nice and neat. So no special tricks. It just slides down into a square. Sides first, then screen. So you just do opposite sides, and then just place the screen on and get a fire started. This is a kind of like screen door. I would not use screen door material. It's not meant for high heat unless you just want something cheap and quick. Alright, we got some kindling here. Got some extra pallet wood I can split up. I'm going to start this fire on here because I don't have anything bigger. And I really don't want to screw with it, so I got this for $5 with the tank, so it was worth it. Otherwise, I mean, there's good ways to start a fire, but I'm just gonna be lazy. Alright, a few minutes later, like 5, I don't know. Probably could have grabbed some trash and burned it real quick. Instead of just sending it to the landfill, but yeah, got the fire going. So, starting pretty good. Got some nice light wood. It's not even pallet wood, I don't even know what it was from. It was just thin garbage, about 1/4 inch, so it burned quick. Alright, well, if you like this, check it out. I bought mine on Amazon. You can, I'm sure you can buy them other places than that, but it was just on sale there, so I snatched up the first deal I saw.